powerful microchip comes into sharp focus. Countless microscopic circuits fill the processor. Digital technology connects every corner of Earth. A massive semiconductor factory comes into view. Workers enter the ultra-clean production environment. A flawless silicon crystal undergoes inspection. Molten silicon begins forming a single crystal. The silicon indot slowly grows upward. Diamond wire saws slice precision silicon wafers. Fresh wafers move through automated inspection. Robotic polishers create perfectly smooth wafer surfaces. Ultra-pure water removes microscopic contaminants. Protective oxide layers form inside the furnace. Automated robots transport wafers across the cleanroom. Photoresist spreads evenly across each spinning wafer. Extreme ultraviolet light exposes intricate circuit patterns. Precision masks align above the silicon wafer. Tiny circuit patterns appear across the surface. Chemical developers reveal the hidden circuit design. Electron microscopes inspect microscopic transistor structures. Laser scanners check every wafer for defects. Sealed carriers move wafers between processing tools. Thin metallic layers coat the wafer surface. Plasma etching carves microscopic transistor features. The completed wafer reveals billions of circuit patterns. Every factory has a story, and we've only just begun. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next factory tour.